Okay, an example of an inequality, I'll use the same things which I used in. You'll have x squared, and then you'll have minus 2x, and then minus what? Minus 3, and then less than a 0. Now you're having less than. Here you're going to have critical factors or critical values of 2, which are 2. Meaning here you'll just have this, like I said, values which when you multiply them together they give you a negative 3, but when you add them or subtract them they give you a negative 2. Meaning you'll just have x minus a 3 and then x plus a 1 less than a 0. Meaning like now, if you were having an equal sign, you are going to get x is equals to a 3 and x is equals to negative 1. So with this with this respect now, it means because it's a negative, you'll be getting what? X less and something like this. You'll be having what? Negative 1 this side and a 3 this side. Do you get it? And then now it just means when we come to a number line now, you'll have a number line like this one. Here it will just be a negative 1, here it will just be a 3. Because this does not involve what? It does not include these numbers. This thing will just be like this. To be bolded here. You see that? Here it just means we are talking about values which are in between here. Do you get it? Okay, that's the thing. And then now let's move past to the next one, to the next question. Now moving to the next question, you will see that